I mean, looking at the cat footage, like, that looks incredibly real. Like, it looks like there's motion blur going on
It
and,
does.
like,
Mhm.
I don't know. It's just like, I can see this being like, showing it to anybody I know and saying like, "Hey, I just
Film this.
saw this cat in the wild and filmed it." Yeah, and no one would question it
Okay.
with this one.
Here's my issue with this. I haven't fully thought this through.
Okay.
But I feel like this is not the most useful place to start with video generation. I feel like it'd be better to have this type of functionality in an existing 3D modeling software or like your videography tool of choice, and take something like take a known object and then build out the environment around it. Like let
Yeah.
me 3D model something and then maybe use some text prompting to kind of enrich it and then generate the video from there. Like I don't see people in the future just be like prompt engineering this to get the perfect type of video created. Like, am I like thinking about this wrong?
I don't know. I guess I haven't thought about it specifically deeply enough yet to know where to start. I know that I've you. I think the last episode, couple episodes, you brought up the prime minister of Venezuela, right? Like he was speaking in Spanish, and it made him speak in English using his words.
Yeah, Argentina.
Argentina, sorry,
Yeah.
Argentina. So it's like that's very impressive, but this is equally impressive. So I'm trying to think of the context. I'd have to imagine, Evan, if you shot a bunch of video, well, I think would be cool is you being able to, like, you've probably been in a situation where you did a bunch of filming, you got back in the behind editing, and you were like, crap, like something's messed up in this video. I didn't film this shot. I should have gotten this shot. And wouldn't it be awesome to feed it some of the videos or snapshots of what you did and then say, this is what I missed. Please
Yeah.
do this shot.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's happened multiple times, you know, where it's just like, oh, I missed this one thing, or the shot's great, but the person's out of focus or something, which is pretty fixable now
Yeah.
with what we have. But yeah, I can see this being a tool that like every videographer needs to learn
Seriously.
how to best
Use.
use.
I think the
Not
limitation
even
right
if
now
you
is
like use it that much, but just to know how to use it in case something happens would be
yes.
extremely valuable. You don't have to use it to like, you know, replace every single thing you do, but
Right.
I think it's really valuable to be a prompt engineer